Many large companies and organizations are often ridiculed for using outdated computers, but not every business requires the latest digital technology. Case in point, a bakery in Indiana has been photographed processing sales using a Commodore 64. This isn't the first time a 21st century business has been spotted using the top-selling 1982 PC, as the device remains beloved by enthusiasts today. Photos have recently surfaced showing that Hilligos Bakery in Brownsburg, Indiana, uses a pair of Commodore 64s as cash registers. While running a business on a 42-year-old PC might seem unusual, the device likely has sufficient processing power to ring up orders of donuts. The Commodore 64, released in 1982, apparently remains the best-selling individual PC model of all time, with estimated sales between 10 and 17 million units. Priced at $595 upon release, approximately $1,945 in 2024 dollars, the system featured a 1 MHz CPU and 64 KB of RAM, hence its name. While most of the C64's 10,000 software titles were games, it also supported business software, which companies like Hilligos Bakery continue to use. It's unclear whether the bakery has been using the Commodore 64s since 1982, but it's possible given that the business has been operating since 1974 and is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year.